The global challenge of climate change and its impact has prompted organizations like Group on Earth to draw expertise from an extensive global network that includes more than 100 governments and private sector and civil society organizations, including scientists. This is to promote access to Earth observation information to help decision makers understand and act on the global challenges of climate change, biodiversity loss, and pollution. The organization says it hopes that young people will provide ways on how global leadership can contribute to combat climate change and protect the planet.
The theme is really speaking to the sense that the Earth is talking to us at the moment. You only need to step outside here in Cape Town last week and see how there were floods. It's no shock that around the world we're seeing all these kind of extreme heat and events. So the Earth is talking to us, and it's talking increasingly loudly about the problems we're facing. I think the world is struggling a little bit in terms of how to respond to some of these challenges, and we think that Earth observations can play a big role in really unlocking action.
Youth candidates on issues of climate change and biodiversity are calling for more awareness engagements.
As much as we can expect young people to make contribution, they should be aware of what the problem is. They should have an extensive understanding of what climate change is, for instance, because now it is very futile. We find we are trying to address a problem which it cannot be defined or understood by people. So them making a contribution, it's first by providing awareness and education so that they can have proper channels, or rather proper strategies in mitigating and adapting to the challenges.
The outcome of the summit will be a declaration that will be deliberated by ministers from a number of states, and for the first time, young people will present a declaration.
This is an organization that is made up of more than 114 countries, and what we do is we therefore coordinate the work around Earth observations and looking at its impact in dealing with challenges such as disasters, resource monitoring, issues of food security, and so on and so forth.
The summit will run from 6 to 10 November. Andile Mbanjwa, SABC News, Cape Town.